Hi, my name is Frank Valentic, Director and Buyers and Vendors Advocate at Advantage Property Consulting with our latest market update. Well, the Melbourne market has been pretty consistent. Clearance rates have improved. They're now 75 to 80% most weekends, though we're still seeing low volumes of stock. Auction numbers are down to probably 500 to 700 a weekend. We haven't seen the 1,000 plus Super Saturdays that we were seeing at this time last year. I believe we're at the bottom of the current market. Most experts and commentators think that, as well as prices have started to move upwards in some suburbs. And days on market though has definitely still increased. It's taking longer to sell. So a year ago it was probably about 28 days at the peak market. It's about 38 days now. So good properties are still selling well, and good suburbs are still performing well. So, you know, there's talk across Melbourne. Prices probably stabilised about 9% in the last year. It was nothing like the doomsday, experts predicting, 20, 30, 40% drops. So it got nowhere near there. And some suburbs have actually improved. I looked at the stats for Elwood, and the median house price has actually increased from 2.3 to 3.3 $1 million, or about 43% in the last quarter. So there could have been some bigger results there, but it's just showing that, it's definitely not a bottom market where there's absolute bargains out there. We've seen some massive results in Flinders. There was a record sale there of 27 million. The Mornington Peninsula hasn't slowed down. A property in Blairgowrie, a block of land, sold for about 670,000, or about 42% over reserve. We're seeing the return of foreign buyers now. They're saying that in the next decade there'll be another 2 million returning to our shores and buying property in Australia, and I think this will obviously increase the demand for property. We're going to need 106,000 new dwellings by 2027 just to try and keep up with the current demand. So there is a shortfall. Last year alone, there was 143,000 international students returning to Australia, which was up about 90,000 from the COVID time. So what are my future predictions? I'm joining the band of like the ANZ and people now predicting prices to increase next year. And I think depending on the suburb, I think we'll see increases of 5 to 10%. So if people are waiting around thinking the prices are going to drop further, I think interest rates will now peak and stabilise, and then people will get on with business and realise that there's stock levels are still low. So my advice to buyers is get in the market when you find the right property, and it's the right time for you to buy. So please don't hesitate to get on our website, check out our information about our buyers advocate, sellers advocate, property management, and our group block purchases. We'll see you next time.